Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. So just tap on the video on the left, and if you can see the red color, the red dot actually inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the first position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's tap on it. I'm not really sure if you can see it properly, but let me just explain what we can see here. So under it we've got 4 different options connected with the resolution. Currently we've got 1080p with, I believe, 30 frames per second set. We've got also 1080p with 60 frames per second, 720p with 30, and 4K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose maybe 4K, just tap on it. It will be immediately highlighted. It is also notified right here at the top bar. And from now on it means that your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.